Hello everyone. I am Avatar AI for Frank Liu, the top agent from Silicon Valley results team of Alliance Bay Realty. Today we will tour San Jose Tract at Villas at Lundy, developed by Toll Brothers. Over here we see the rendering of exterior of building. Total 198 units. The Villas at Lundy includes a stylish clubroom with fireplace and kitchen, a well-equipped fitness room, and an outdoor pool and spa. Villas at Lundy has an outdoor ball court and children's playground, with a premium location next to a 1.25-acre public park. Convenient location. Walk to Google shuttle bus, many groceries, post office, lots of retails and restaurants. Easy commute to high-tech firms, including future Google and Amazon new San Jose campus. Incoming Apple N. San Jose campus and BART station. The luxury villa-style homes at Villas at Lundy range from 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathrooms, to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, with the largest measuring 1,545 square feet. The unique features of these single and double-level homes vary throughout the 6 models, providing each home design with an individual flair. They include large terraces. Some homes include a private terrace off the master suite, gas fireplace, loft area, media niche, and laundry room with pantry. Best of all, each home has the advantage of private parking, with a 1 or 2 car attached garage and a large storage area. Homeowner associate due is around $340 per month. Over here is one of floor plan. Here is another plan. Let's take a look at the site map. Here is the chart to demonstrate the latest comps in the tracts. The average home price in this tracts is around $700 per square feet. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Frank Liu. Here is the introduction of Villas at Lundy, San Jose. If you have any questions, call or email me at any time. 408-828-0600 and frank.liu1268@gmail.com. Thanks.